Welcome back. Today we're going to make a lemon blueberry bundt cake. This cake has a couple tablespoons of lemon in it and 3 cups of blueberries. And the icing has 1/3 of a cup of lemon juice. So I bet it will be fantastic. First, we're going to add in 2 sticks of butter and 2 cups of sugar and blend that for a couple minutes. We're going to mix our dry ingredients. 2 3/4 cup of flour, 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking powder, then 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and then 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and we'll just kind of mix that together and have it ready. Now we're going to add in 4 eggs and give that a little bit of a blend. Now we're going to add in our dry mixture that we made and turn that on kind of slow to start out with. Now we're going to add 1 cup of sour cream, 2 tablespoons of lemon zest, and 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, and mix that for a minute before we add the blueberries. Now we'll add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and wow, get this, 3 cups of blueberries. This is going to definitely be delicious, and we're going to gently mix that. The recipe says to fold it in, but I just use the mixer on very low speed. Okay, now we're going to add our batter and kind of even that out a little bit. The recipe says to bake it at 350 for 1 hour, but they do point out that the baking time for this recipe seems to really vary from person to person. So it says after 1 hour, stick a toothpick in it and see how it's done, and they actually suggest, if it's not done, to bake it for another 10 or 15 minutes. I think I would only put about 5 more minutes and double check it then. And then, if need be, cook it for an additional 5 more minutes. They do mention that if the top is brown and the cake is not done, you can cover it with tin foil and bake it for another 5 minutes. Okay, as you can see, our bundt cake is done. It only took about 1 hour and 5 minutes. The recipe says to add 15 more minutes if it's not done, and I would not recommend that. I added 5 minutes. So we're going to make our icing. So we're using 2 cups of powdered sugar. And then it says 1 1/2 tablespoons of butter. I melted in the microwave and just put a cover over it. And then it says a whopping 1/3 of a cup of lemon juice. And then 1 tablespoon of lemon zest. And you just put that in the blender for about a minute. Now we're going to pour our wonderful icing mix all over this delicious looking lemon blueberry bundt cake. Wow, I can't wait to try this. Wow, this looks absolutely fantastic. All right, let's give this bundt cake a taste. Wow, that really tastes like lemon and really tastes like blueberry. This is the first time I've tried this recipe and I really love it. If you like this video, please click subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you, and I'll see you next time. Take a screenshot and print out the recipe.